Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Hello guys, it means a lot. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and if you have a Chevy Cruze that the heater, the blower, fan motor doesn't work guys, okay, you're turning the fan on high but it doesn't work at all, stay with us, we'll show you which fuse to check for that now guys. We'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please give a like, subscribe and drop a comment below the video. Let us know what you think about the channel, if the video was helpful, anything guys will be a helpful input. So, this is guys the car, it's a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should be the same for the whole generation from 2008 to 2016. As I said, the electrical videos on this car will be made on this channel, and we have a main channel, auto repair guys, check it out. We'll have more than 200 mechanical videos. So, what I'll do now, okay, I'm going to go ahead and open the hood quick. Okay, and I want to show you where your fuses are located and all that stuff. So, right here guys, once you open your hood, doesn't matter which engine you have, 1.8 or 1.4, you have a fuse box. But the fuse is actually for the blower motor fan, it's not in this fuse box. It's hidden inside the car, but let me show you how it doesn't work now. Okay, so, I have the ignition on, ignition is on, and check it out now. I'm going to turn, let me turn the light off a little bit so you can see. I'm going to turn the fan on high. And it says 6. But, okay, it's supposed to blow in the vents. Doesn't blow at all here. So, what is guys causing that? Okay, what is causing for you not to be able to turn the fan on? I'll turn the ignition off, pull the key out. Okay, and we'll show you guys which fuse now we need to replace. So, next to the steering wheel, okay, next to the steering wheel right here, we need to remove that cap by pulling down and just get it out. We need to locate guys fuse number 11, which is a 40 amp fuse in our case, okay, and I'm talking about this fuse right here. Usually this one is a JK fuse, and I grab it with my fingers, shake it a little bit, okay, it comes out. Let me show you now the bad one. Most of the times you can see through the glass and see if it's burned, but not always. I usually use, okay, a tester here. Okay, let me show you. This is a voltmeter, guys. You can find it listed in the description of the video below. Also, you'll be able to find the fuse listed in the description of the video below as well. So, we guys have it now set on ohms, okay, and testing continuity. So, if the fuse is good, okay, let me show you now. It will be like we're touching these two LEDs together. Okay, it should communicate and show 0. Okay, like that. Let me hold it with one hand so you can see. It shows guys 0. Now I'm going to test the fuse. Okay, trying to hold the angle here. So the two things, I'll just... Nothing, this is burned guys. So let me throw this one out and grab the new one now. Okay, the new one, let me show you now what it's going to show on your fuse. Okay, those are a little bit hard to hold sometimes. The new fuse, it should show close to 0, like absolutely no resistance. 0. So I'm going to push it in now. Okay, right here now. Let me not forget to install that cover, because that's how you usually lose things sometimes. I will turn the ignition on now guys, and we're going to test it for you and see if it works or not. Listen now. Okay, still guys, it says no fan, right? Now I'm going to adjust the speed one more time. And you can guys definitely, okay, definitely feel the fan being on. So that guys, take care of that problem. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.